Welcome to Oriora. This is the developer surface. You know what you're building. We route it. One endpoint for any app, agent, or workflow. Tell us the task, or let it be read, and the call goes to the best model on quality, cost, and latency. And the line that matters most sits right up front. Zero prompt storage. At every layer of the chain, by architecture, not by promise. We'll come back to exactly what that means. There are two lanes, and the difference is a single dial, how much you hand over. The one thing that's always managed for you is the model choice. Lane 1, you run the call. Ask which model fits, and you get the best fit pick plus ranked alternatives. You make the call yourself, on your own infrastructure. Your key and your output are never seen, and your prompt only if you choose to have it classified. One flat fee per recommendation. Pick this for maximum privacy and control. Lane 2, we run the call. Hand over your vendor key, and one request picks the best model and runs it, with caching, fallback, and retries built in. Point your tool at one endpoint, and you're done. 2 flat fees per call, the least work. Both lanes run on the same scoring brain, quality, cost, and latency, across every vendor, inside your preferences. 2 optional layers can also fire on top, each the same small flat fee you see on screen, and only when your task actually triggers them. A verify layer has a second model double-check a genuinely hard answer, and rent the brain draws on our knowledge base when your task matches it. Both switch off from your account. Don't want to wire anything? There's a terminal quick start, the easiest way to watch the routing pick models for you on your own key. It's 2 quick pastes. Step 1 installs Claude Code, Anthropic's terminal AI, straight from Anthropic's own installer. Step 2 adds the proxy, a tiny local router. Drop your keys in once, and every job routes to the best model, on your own keys, straight to your vendors. If you use Claude Code, you launch it by typing the one word you see on screen, and you're routed. Step 3 is optional and free, add-ons that give it a memory, screenshot reading, and computer use. Prefer your own agent? Same routing, different shape. Your vendor keys live on your account, not your machine, and the agent only needs one key. And it works with the tools you already use, because the API shape is OpenAI-compatible. Any tool that accepts a custom base URL works today. Point it at the endpoint, drop in your key, and it gets intelligent routing on your own vendor keys. No code changes, no new SDK. The whole pattern is 2 lines. Set the base URL, use your key. Everything else stays exactly the same. It's also a hosted MCP server. Plug it into Claude Desktop, Cursor, or any MCP client. Your agent gains 3 tools on one key. The best model per task, the proven approach for the job, and a fully verified answer. That same key even lets your AI run the account for you. Check spend, change preferences, manage vendor keys, set a budget. It can only spend funds you've already deposited. And for safety, 3 things stay with you. Signed in on the website. Minting or revoking keys, deleting the account, and adding money. On every call, you choose how much we see. Declare the task, the prompt is never read. Or let it be classified, read in memory, stored nowhere. Which brings us to privacy. No prompt at rest, anywhere. Not a policy, not a contractual add-on. The architecture itself has nowhere for your prompt to land. Here's the chain. The selection layer logs the task type, the model that ran, and the flat fee. That's it. Prompt content is never written to disk or any database. The gateway forwards your request to the provider, configured for zero retention, nothing stored in transit. And the provider runs inference and returns the response, the same as calling them directly. The routing layer adds no extra data surface. Every result can carry an honest, unfakeable credit line. Proof the call was routed and your key was never retained. Proof, not a logo. Then, there's memory. Your key is yours, so is your memory. Your rules, your preferences, your way of working, kept in a file you own. It's read for a single reply, then forgotten. One memory, every surface, and no copy is ever kept. Rather manage one key than 10? Use a single open router key for the whole catalog and control where each model runs. Getting up and running takes 3 steps. 1. Create an account and connect your vendor keys. The only charges here are the flat per-call fees. 2. Generate your key, yours in seconds. 3. Pass your task type in a plain request. Everything from there is handled. The developer reference covers the endpoints. Plain HTTP, no SDK required. Get a key in seconds. First request in under 5 minutes. That's Oriora. Start simple and go as far as you want.